Ever wondered how cities could become more efficient, sustainable, and livable? The answer lies in the concept of smart cities. These are cities that leverage technology and data-driven solutions to improve the quality of urban life. They aim to address various urban challenges like traffic congestion, energy consumption, and public safety, among others, by harnessing the power of information and communication technologies. Imagine a city where traffic flows smoothly thanks to intelligent traffic management systems, where energy is conserved through smart grids, and where public safety is enhanced by real-time surveillance and quick emergency response. This is the promise of smart cities. They not only offer improved public services but also promote sustainable development and enhance the quality of life for residents. But how do we go from concept to reality? How do we transform our cities into smart cities? Intrigued about how to create a smart city system? Dive into the process with us. Creating a smart city system starts with a thorough understanding of your city's needs and challenges. The first step in this process is research and analysis. This involves getting your hands on data about your city and looking into every nook and cranny, from population growth rates to transportation issues, energy consumption, environmental concerns, and public safety. Take, for instance, population growth rates. This data is crucial as it helps in forecasting the future needs of your city. It gives a clear picture of whether your city's infrastructure, such as roads, hospitals, and schools, will be able to accommodate the growing population. Now, let's talk about transportation. Are there traffic jams during peak hours? Are public transport systems efficient? Answering these questions will help identify areas that need improvement, and smart technologies like intelligent traffic systems and autonomous vehicles can be introduced to address these challenges. Next up is energy consumption. It's vital to understand how energy is being used in your city to find ways to make it more efficient. Smart grids can be used to distribute energy more effectively, reduce losses, and even allow residents to feed surplus energy back into the grid. Then, we have environmental concerns. Issues like air and water pollution, waste management, and conservation of natural resources are areas where smart technologies can make a significant difference. For instance, sensor-based waste management systems can optimize waste collection, reducing costs and environmental impact. Public safety is another area to look into. Are the crime rates high? Are there enough surveillance systems in place? Technologies like smart CCTV cameras can enhance safety by allowing real-time monitoring and quick response to incidents. Finally, don't forget to consider the cultural nuances and preferences of the city's residents. After all, a smart city should be built around the people who live in it, making their lives easier and more comfortable. By identifying areas where a smart city system can be most beneficial, you'll have a solid foundation for your project. With a clear understanding of your city's needs, it's time to plan your smart city project. This stage is crucial as it lays the foundation for the entire system. Begin by setting specific goals for your smart city system. What issues does it aim to resolve? How will it improve the quality of life for your residents? Next, identify the necessary technologies and infrastructure to meet these goals. This could include data sensors, smart grids, or communication networks. Each city is unique, so the technologies you'll need may vary. Collaborating with tech consultants can help you navigate this complex landscape. Then develop a system architecture. This involves designing the structure of your smart city system and how its components interact. Finally, plan your project budget. Consider the costs of technology, infrastructure, and manpower. Remember, a smart city is a long-term investment that will pay off in the form of a more efficient, sustainable, and livable city. A well-thought-out plan will serve as your roadmap to a successful smart city system. Creating a smart city isn't a solo mission. It requires collaboration. The transformation of a city into a smart city isn't a task accomplished single-handedly. It involves multiple stakeholders: city authorities, private companies, local communities, and of course the residents themselves. Establishing partnerships with tech companies and service providers is crucial. These entities bring in the expertise, resources, and cutting-edge technology that form the backbone of any smart city. City authorities play a pivotal role in mobilizing these resources, ensuring regulations are met, and most importantly, facilitating the integration of smart city solutions into the existing city infrastructure. Local communities and residents, they're the end users. Their participation, feedback, and acceptance are essential to tailor solutions to real needs, thus ensuring the project's success. A smart city is a collective dream, and it's only through strong partnerships and active collaboration that this dream can be brought to life. Strong partnerships and active collaboration are key to bringing your smart city vision to life. Now it's time to equip your city with the right infrastructure and technology. The foundation of a smart city lies in its technology and infrastructure. By installing sensors, cameras, and management systems, you can monitor, analyze, and control various aspects of urban life. These systems can oversee transportation, energy consumption, communication, and other sectors, providing real-time data to help you make informed decisions. Consider transportation. Smart traffic management systems help streamline the flow of vehicles, reducing congestion and improving air quality. Sensors can provide real-time traffic data, enabling dynamic control of traffic lights and signage. The result? Less waiting, less pollution, and a more efficient use of our roads. Similarly, sensors and smart meters in the energy sector can monitor consumption patterns. This data can guide the distribution of power during peak and off-peak hours, optimizing energy use and reducing waste. Plus, it can encourage residents to become more energy conscious, contributing to a greener city. But it's not only about installing high-tech equipment, it's about integrating these systems to work together seamlessly. This is where the importance of consulting with tech experts and consultants comes in. These professionals can help you choose the right technologies and ensure they are properly integrated. They can also guide you in setting up data management systems to handle the vast amount of information your smart city will generate. Moreover, the communication infrastructure of a smart city should not be overlooked. Reliable, high-speed internet is crucial to connect all these systems and allow for quick, efficient data transmission. This enables real-time responses and adjustments, making your city truly smart. Lastly, remember, technology is ever-evolving. What's cutting-edge today might be obsolete tomorrow. Therefore, your smart city infrastructure should be flexible and scalable, ready to adapt and grow with emerging technologies and changing needs. Innovative technology and robust infrastructure are the backbone of any smart city system. And by using these tools wisely, you can help your city become smarter, more efficient, and a better place to live for all its residents. Before going full throttle, it's essential to test and debug all system components. The stability of your smart city system is critical. A single glitch can disrupt the entire operation, causing inconvenience or even harm. So you'd want to ensure everything works seamlessly, from sensors and cameras to traffic management and energy networks. Likewise, compliance with requirements is non-negotiable. Your system should meet all defined objectives and specifications, aligning perfectly with your smart city vision. Once you're confident about the system's stability and compliance, it's time for implementation. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. The same goes for your smart city. Start small, with pilot projects or specific areas. This phased approach allows for fine-tuning and adjustments based on real-world feedback before full-scale deployment. Thorough testing and careful implementation ensure your smart city system is ready for the real world. Once your smart city system is up and running, it's all about management and maintenance. Ensuring smooth operation is key, and this is where a robust monitoring and management system comes into play. You'll want to keep a close eye on all aspects of your smart city, from energy usage to traffic patterns. Regular checks will allow you to identify any inconsistencies or issues swiftly, enabling you to take decisive action before minor problems turn into major headaches. Don't forget, a smart city is a living, breathing entity that evolves with its inhabitants. As the needs and requirements of your city change, so too should your smart city system. Regular updates and system upgrades are vital in order to stay current and continue to provide value to your city and its residents. With ongoing management and maintenance, your smart city system will continue to benefit your city and its residents for years to come. Creating a smart city system might seem daunting, but with careful planning, collaboration, and the use of advanced technologies, it's achievable. We've delved into the necessary steps to make this a reality. From researching and analyzing your city's needs, to planning and establishing partnerships for successful implementation. We've highlighted the significance of infrastructure and technology, and the importance of testing and gradual implementation. On top of that, we've also discussed the need for effective management and maintenance systems to keep your smart city running smoothly. The concept of smart cities is more than just a trend. It's a transformative approach that enhances urban living through efficiency, sustainability, and improved public services. It addresses key urban challenges while prioritizing the needs of the residents. Transforming your city into a smart city can bring a multitude of benefits for residents and contribute to your city's development. It's a journey worth embarking on.